All right, in this screencast, I'm going to show you how to create a screencast using Screencastify. So the first thing I'm going to do is just Google Screencastify. And what's really nice about Screencastify is that if you use Chrome like I do, or you have a Gmail account, you can actually set it up as a shortcut, basically, an add-on in your Chrome. So I'm going to go ahead and go down here where it says Screencastify. Okay, and right here it just says add to Chrome. Okay, so I click add to Chrome. Yep, it says I've already installed and I'm using the extension icon. Sorry, it's called an extension. Okay, so when you go into Screencastify, you will see it up here. Okay, so you click on that. And then here's where you have a choice of how you want to record. The other thing that you'll see here is it has 48 out of 50 videos remaining this month, which is really nice, is that you get 50 free videos a month. And I have never in a bazillion years created more than 50 screencasts. So you can do your desktop, you can do a webcam, you can click to embed your webcam. And what that means is when you're recording, you will see your face basically right here. You don't need to see my face for this. So here are some of the notifications. That means I've uploaded some things. This is where I can find my recordings. So it's really nice that you're able to save them. And then here's where you can go into your settings here, okay, which I never go into that stuff. So basically what you're going to want to do is go into record. And you can choose how you want to share things. So I can choose my entire screen, or I can choose one of my windows. I typically just go ahead and do my entire screen, and I'm going to want to click share. You can see a little countdown. Okay, and so now I'm recording. What's interesting is that you can choose how you want things to look with your mouse. So maybe here, instead of having my arrow when people watch the screencast, it'll simply be that highlight. Typically I just use the mouse here. Okay, if I click on those, I'll turn it off. I can write on here if I was also creating a screencast. And then obviously I can erase things too. So that's kind of nice that if you're giving a math lesson maybe, then you can use that writing feature. So this one right here, it will show the time on your video. Like I said, I don't typically use some of those down there, okay? So basically you just go in, you show your video. When you're done with your video, you go down here and you click stop sharing. And so then here, because I'm already logged in, pause that, there we go. Sorry, I'm double screencasting, so just to make sure I'm doing the right thing. So down there, I went ahead and paused this video right here. As you can see, I'm already logged in to Google, so you can upload this in a couple different ways. You can download it to your computer, or you can share it here. So what I typically do when I'm creating screencasts for our staff is I will share it on YouTube. Again, because I'm already logged in, I go to my channel. You can add a channel. We also have like a JSA account that I've used before. Most often I just use my personal Gmail. You get a shareable link and you're pretty much good to go. So right here too, you see it automatically titles it as the date, but you could title it as whatever you wanted. So how to screencast, or how to create whatever in math. Okay, save. Again, if I go to share, I can go into my YouTube channel, and then right here I just click get link, and what it does is it automatically uploads it to my YouTube. So now I can copy this link and I can email it to staff, or I think if you download, then you can put that part on Seesaw. So again, this is a screencast on how to use Screencastify.